Hello viewers, currently Flipkart Sasa Lele sale is running on flipkart.com as well as Amazon Great Summer Sale is running on amazon.in. I think you have already bought your favorite tablet in this sale. But if you have not yet purchased your favorite tablet or iPad, in that case you must watch this video to get the answers of some important questions that people are asking me repeatedly. When the sale started on 8th of May on amazon.in and on 9th of May on flipkart.com, actually there are very good deals on credit card as well as exchange offer, and also the price were attracting to buy, but currently the price of each and every tablet has increased a lot. For example, the price of iPad 11th generation was around 29,000 rupees and many people actually bought this iPad at this price point. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP Plus was sold at a price point of 36,000 to 40,000 price point. But currently the price of these two devices are already on the higher side, so it is not a wise decision to buy any tablet or any iPad right now. But there is one tablet that you can buy even in this Sasa sale right now, that is Pad 60 Pro. I saw that the price is around 23,000 rupees for the 128GB variant and around 25,000 rupees for the 256GB variant. There is offer on Oneplus Pad Lite. It is available at a price point of 14,000 rupees with HDFC credit card EMI on amazon.in for the 6GB and 128GB variant. However, the best price should be around 13,000 rupees. So I don't think this is the best price for this tablet right now. If you can wait, you can definitely buy this tablet at around 13,000 rupees with credit card discount. In these two sales, one major problem is card offers are not showing for some tablets and people are not getting enough discount with SBI credit card on flipkart.com and HDFC credit card on amazon.in. So in the conclusion, if you have not yet bought any tablet, don't buy any tablet right now. You have to wait for another sale. There will be another sale towards the end of this month, but that sale will not be as attractive as Sasa Lele sale on flipkart.com. Next big sale may arrive in the month of June, and I will definitely let you know about the offers and discounts on tablets whenever there will be any sale on amazon.in or on flipkart.com.